Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am here at Central University of Rajasthan. This is the very nice campus guys. You can see the greenery and you can see the peacock sitting on the roof of this building, and you can hear the voice of background birds. And this is very beautiful campus. I will show you everything in each video. And here this is the department building, academic buildings. These are the academic buildings, and next I will show you in next video some more things. Okay, bye bye.